common word in these words. Common word is anim. Anim word come from Greek word animos, mean wind. Animos mean wind. So this is anim is wind. Anim is wind. It is the Greek word. Greek animos is wind. So simply we can understand animology. Logy is logos. Logos mean study. So this is simple study of wind. Study of wind mean like study of direction of wind. And this is anemometer. Meter is the instrument to measure. So measure the direction or speed. Direction or speed of wind. Anemograph. Graph is draw, write. That means graph or drawing of wind. Or simply we can say graph. Now this is anemophilus. Anemophilus is, now anemo means wind and phil means love. That means it is the fertilization by wind. Fertilization among the flowers. So this is love of wind, or in botany we can say fertilization by wind. What wind does? Wind carry the pollen from one flower to another flower. That means to fertile the flowers. Or this means you can say love by wind or wind love. Simple we can say wind love, because phil is love. Many other words come from, like pedophilia, like we say pedophilia means love to children. That means it is now the word is taken offensive, like it is sexual love toward the children. That means pedophilia is, pedo is the children, it is the inclination toward the children. And one more word I tell you, Philip. This is noun. So this is Philip mean phil. This is what? First I tell you, this is pedo plus phil. That means the love toward children. And one more word regarding phil we see, it is name Philip. Now Philip is, this is phil plus this is op. Actually this op is hippos. So this is Philip actually, sorry. This is Philip. Philip. So Phil means love, and this, if actually in Greek we write it IP, and this is the contraction of hippos. This iota is automatically sound H. So it is hippos. Hippos is the horse. Hippos mean horse. So it is lover of horse. That means Philip is the name of a person who, this mean lover of horse. Similarly, one more name, like we say George. George is farmer. Farmer. Why? Because geo is the land and or mean, this is G mean land and this is mean work. Who work on land is George. That mean, this mean farmer. And one more name last time we saw, Andrew. Andrew mean manly. Manly, because the word come from andros. Andros is, that mean, ander mean man. Ander mean man. So like this. Now animogamy. This is, gamy is the marriage, like we say polygamy. So gamy is the marriage and this is wind. So this is wind and this is marriage. That means again the same meaning of fertilization or love by or marriage by, simply we can say the meaning is same, fertilization of wind and wind love or wind marriage. Now this is animotropism. Animotropism. Animo is wind and this is actually tropin. Tropin is Greek word. This means change. Change or disaster, this type of meaning. That means you can say the disaster by wind. Disaster or change by wind. Change by wind. Actually this change is found in the trees, like some tree inclined toward or break down or uprooted. So such kind of change happen because of wind, then we say animotropism. Any kind of disaster, then we say it is animotropism.